Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Life Science Gyan. In this video, we will see most repeated MCQs of biochemistry and genetics. Our first question is, during glycolysis for ATP synthesis, phosphate is provided by AMP, inorganic phosphate, 1,3-bisphosphoglyceraldehyde and PP and PRPP. So correct answer is option C, 1,3-PPG and PEP. Our next question is, yeast consumes more glucose in anaerobic condition than aerobic. This phenomena is known as Warburg effect, Pasteur effect, Hatch and Slack effect, immersion effect. So correct answer is option B, Pasteur effect. Our next question is, NADPH is majorly produced by TCA cycle, hexose monophosphate pathway, glycolysis pathway, gluconeogenesis pathway. So correct answer is option B, hexose monophosphate pathway. Our next question is, fructose intolerance is caused by reduced production of aldolase, increased production of cellulase, reduced level of lactase, reduced level of amylase. The correct answer is option A, reduced production of aldolase cause fructose intolerance. Our next question is, enzyme catalyzes biochemical reaction by binding to reactants with higher affinity, products with higher affinity, transition state with higher affinity, substrate with higher affinity. So correct answer is option C, transition state with higher affinity. Our next question is, in a reaction, if delta G is positive, then formation of product favored, reverse reaction is favored, there will be equilibrium, or forward reaction is favored. So correct answer is option B, reverse reaction is favored. Our next question is, the mode of action of ampicillin is DNA synthesis inhibition, RNA synthesis inhibition, protein synthesis inhibition, cell wall synthesis inhibition. So correct answer is cell wall synthesis inhibition. Our next question is, heterozygous mating with homozygous recessive parent is known as monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross, test cross, reciprocal cross. The correct answer is option C, test cross. Our next question is, the example of incomplete dominance is sorghum, mustard, sweet pea, 4 o'clock plant. So correct answer is option D, 4 o'clock plant is example of incomplete dominance. Our next question is, human height character is best example of which inheritance? Pleiotropic inheritance, polygenic inheritance, cytoplasmic inheritance, multi-allelic inheritance. The correct answer is option B, polygenic inheritance. Our next question is, exception of law of independent assortment is pleiotropy, multi-allele, linked gene, non-disjunction. So correct answer is linked genes is exception of law of independent assortment. Our next question is, human blood group is example of incomplete dominance, recessive epistasis, dominant epistasis, and codominance. So correct answer is codominance, option D. Our next question is best known example of sex-linked trait is sickle cell anemia, hemophilia, aplastic anemia, leukemia. Correct answer is option B, hemophilia. Our next question is which disease associated with survival of sickle cell anemia affected population? Thalassemia, leukemia, malaria, hemophilia. So correct answer is malaria. Our next question is sickle cell anemia is point mutation of alanine to glycine, phenylalanine to proline, valine to glutamic acid to valine. So correct answer is option D, glutamic acid to valine. Thank you. Please like and subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you.